Hello everyone, welcome to Graceful Hands, Touching Lives Foundation. Today I want to share a powerful message titled 6 Laws of Maturity. Maturity is not about age. It is about how we think, how we react, and how we handle life situations. Let us look at 6 important laws of maturity that can help us grow in life. 1. Stop telling people everything. Not everyone needs to know your plans or your problems. Some people don't truly care, and others may secretly want you to fail. Learn to move in silence and let your results speak for you. 2. Choose your friends wisely. The people around you influence your life. If you surround yourself with positive and successful people, you will grow. But if you stay around negative people, they can slow down your progress. Always choose friends who inspire you to become better. 3. Expect nothing, appreciate everything. When you expect too much from people, you may feel disappointed. Instead, learn to appreciate the little things in life. Gratitude brings peace, happiness, and contentment. 4. Do your best and trust the process. Success does not happen overnight. You must work hard and stay consistent. When you give your best every day and trust the process, your efforts will eventually pay off. 5. Control yourself, not others. Many people try to control others, but true strength is not controlling others. True power is controlling your emotions, your words, and your actions. 6. Learn to react less. When you react to everything, people can easily manipulate your emotions. But when you stay calm and control your reaction, you become stronger and wiser. Conclusion. These are the 6 laws of maturity. When you apply them in your life, you will grow stronger, wiser, and more peaceful. Thank you for watching. This message is brought to you by Graceful Hands, Touching Lives Foundation. Touching lives and inspiring hope.